Good morning, brothers and sisters. Today we celebrate the 28th Sunday in Ordinary Time and the feast of Our Lady of Fatima. Our presider is His Excellency, the Most Reverend Jesse Mercado, Bishop of Parañaque, with Father Dennis Alinaran, Father August Toledo, Father Virgilio Pedregosa,